Sharifa just nailed it, and we have got us a package here from Charlie's Nail Art. We've got the Queen. Airmail. We know this is from Charlie. I've already slid it open. We will save my PR part for last. And this here is a mystery nail art bag for May. So we'll save those two for last. Here's the note from Charlie that she handwrites. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing your beautiful nail designs. Last time I couldn't read that. So I guess my vision is coming along, but just at a snail's pace. Let me straighten these out some. These are the foils that I have bought. Cannot wait to use. First we have got Frozen Periwinkle. It's definitely Periwinkle. Cannot wait to use this one specifically. Let's remove my items. This one is white floral web lace. Love me some lace foils. Mickey Mouse, can't go wrong with Mickey Mouse now, can we? This was my whole reason for going on to Charlie to make it my purchase with the Mickey Mouse foil. How horrible am I? I just had to have it. Dreaming of a pink Christmas. Alright, so that one will be put up for Christmas. Next, we have got Charlie's Now carries these itty bitty little butterflies. They are 3D. Trying to separate them in the pouch so you can see them better. They are different colors. Let me see here. We've got the pink, this is the blue, purple, and yellow and blue back here. These are like 30 cents a package. They were super cheap. Very high quality nail art. I cannot wait. I do have some butterflies that I got off Amazon. And I ordered 2 of each color. No bling, no charms this time. Just the 3D nail art for the butterflies. I had to have them. I had to have them. So let me pause, get this cleaned up, and put away. Then we'll open our PR and our mystery bag in just a momento. Alright, we are back. We are now going to open our PR package. We'll save our mystery bag for last. Being a brand ambassador, you get to pick 5 samples per month. And these are my 5. First, we have got 2 of the purple butterflies. Purple's my color. We have got the Flamingo Paradise, which is flamingos and palm trees mixed. Cannot wait to use these. These are coming super handy. We've got 3 foils I picked out. Night Flower, which is really super pretty. Cannot wait to use those. And we have got White Floral Busy Lace, which looks really super pretty. Sorry about that. Jungle Bloom, which you can see there. It's beautiful. It's got all different color flowers. Next up, we have got our mystery bag nail art for May. Kind of excited. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have got, let me see here, 2 foils. They are White Floral Lace and Jungle Bloom. Super, super pretty. Cannot wait to play with those. I think I have both of those, but that's okay. Glitter Dots and Mint Chocolate Chip. Look at how beautiful those are. Cannot wait. Let me move these. I'm going to properly display these. My 2 foils, my glitter. So what are these? 3mm golden. Oh, they shine purple and gold and like a yellowy gold. Yellowy gold. That is so pretty. We have got 2 butterfly. Oh no, we got 1 butterfly. Each. Oh no, we don't. We got 2. Wait a minute. I can't see. Okay, we got 1 butterfly in our mystery bag. We have got unicorn gems. Oh, super cute. We have got 4 little roses, I believe. Itty bitties. We have got some Fimos, some playing cards. Oh my goodness. Can't see that. We've got 3 glitter mixes here. We've got iridescent butterflies. Oh, that is so pretty. Those are all iridescent butterflies. That is so gorgeous. Okay, here we've got a fine mix and it's unicorn. Ah, this is a 4-gram bag. Let me turn these over. And this here, Pink Mermaid. This is super, super pretty. Love, love, love the color. This is a great mystery bag, folks. Charlie just had these. I think she has them every month. I think it was like 10 bucks, if that. And she got some items here I cannot wait to play with. Unicorn, these remind me of Easter eggs, so those will be put up. Can't wait to play with these. Cannot wait to play with some of these. So I'm really super excited, as you can tell. Cannot wait to play with some of my goodies. Remember, this is the mystery bag for May. And this is what came in it. So, let me... This isn't bad for a mystery bag, folks. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. My code I will put across the top or the bottom of the screen. It is NailedIt10 in all caps. Save yourself 10% off your total bill. And who doesn't want to save 10% off their bill? I sure do, and I use mine each and every time. And you can't go wrong. Charlie has got cheap prices with such high quality nail art. It's just a no-brainer. Go pick you out some glitters or some Fimos. She's got charms, glitter mixes. She's got everything there. So check out Charlie's Nail Art. Use my code. Save yourself some coins. And have yourself a blessed day. And thank you.